What is SS-31 peptide? So SS-31 peptide, also known as Elamipretide, is a unique mitochondrial peptide that goes right into the ATP production of your cells and transforms everything. In this video, what I'm going to do is deconstruct some of the research findings, and the fact that it got FDA approval September 19th of 2025 for Barth syndrome is very exciting because a lot of these patients, the FDA put it on their accelerated track, got it approved for some of these young kids who are born with massive mitochondrial deficiencies where they couldn't thrive in school, their growth was delayed, their physical fitness was impaired. But what SS-31 does is it fixes the molecule. It gets the energy transmission. It's almost like having a carburetor, if you remember that on engines. It's like having a carburetor that works now instead of having the gasoline just kind of get stuck in the carburetor. So I'll deconstruct all of that, and then you can determine what you can do on a mitochondrial side to boost your energy. So if you're feeling tired, fatigued, if you're frustrated because you just never seem to have that vitality, SS-31 may have some answers, and I'll share them with you. All right, so I'm Regan Archibald, founder of Ageless Future. I love peptides, and I've been obsessed with them because they've helped me achieve greater levels of health than I could without them. I find that they're levers to help change the signaling in the body so that you can look, feel, and perform your best. So SS-31, and SS-31 is fascinating because what it does is, if you think of this molecule called cardiolipin, so when cardiolipin starts to get damaged, you don't have that kind of clear transmission in what's called the electron transport chain. So if you think of the energy production in your cells, you've got this chain called the electron transport chain. In the electron transport chain, it activates 5 different cytochromes, and then your body starts this ATP production. And adenosine triphosphate is the energy, it's like having that energy available when you need it. And so the overall goal of healthy cellular function is to have massive amounts of ATP that you can go and sprint. You can run away from the tiger, or you can run in an ultra race, or you can do the things you want to do. You can jump higher, you can feel better when your mitochondria are most active. Now, here's the caveat. 100% of your mitochondrial DNA come from your mother. Do not blame your mom for your poor energy levels. There's other lifestyle factors that can confound this. But one thing that you'll notice is that in the ovaries, that's where you're going to see, especially in the eggs, massive amounts of mitochondria. And if you think of every cell in your body, you've got about 220 different types of cells. That mitochondria is highly concentrated in the ovaries and the testes, the reproductive system, but also in your heart and your brain. You've got massive quantities of mitochondria. And when the mitochondria are healthy, your signaling is going to be really nice. You're going to be able to get that clear transmission. Your cells will be able to create the energy that you need. And I look at health as one of the aspects is the ability to generate the energy you need to do the things you love doing when you want to do those. Now, if you have any deficits in energy, you notice you have that afternoon crash. Maybe you wake up in the morning, you're exhausted. Maybe you don't sleep. Maybe you have too much stress. Well, SS-31 may be this gateway that we're seeing to repair these energy systems. So how does it work? Well, it goes in and it repairs these energy ducts. And when you do that, an interesting thing happens. You increase what's called the mitochondrial biogenesis. SS-31, when it binds specifically to that cardiolipin protein, it starts to repair the damage to the walls. So if you think of like HVAC unit in your house, it blows hot air, it blows cold air. Well, depending on where you live, maybe yours just blows cold or maybe only hot. But if these ducts collapse, then you can only get small volumes of air to come through the vent. And then you're going to say, I'm too cold, we need more heat. But you can turn up the thermostat and crank up the furnace. But if that duct stays collapsed, you're not going to get the energy transmission. You're not going to feel the heat in the house. What cardiolipin does is when it starts to break down, the ducts in the wall that bring the energy into the ATP production into the cells, the mitochondria, it starts to collapse the same way that these HVAC units would. But when you have SS-31, what we found, it's basically like provides new masonry to the wall. It goes in there, it repairs the damage, fills up the leaky valves, heals those ducts so that now you can get this beautiful transmission of ATP production. Now, when you do this, it activates AMPK, it uncouples some of these membranes so that you can get that transmission that you're looking for. So it's not a stimulant, and a lot of people misinterpret this where it's going to create all this energy all the time, but it actually doesn't do that. And using SS-31 myself, what I found more than anything is the inflammation after a long workout seems to go away very quickly. Now, I like using methylene blue with it, so you're loading up the electrons in that electron transport chain, using things like urolithin A, CoQ10. These are all really important to protect the mitochondria. And then I'm doing exercises specifically to push my heart rate. And that would be like the Norwegian 4x4, or we'll do some kind of HIIT training, the high intensity interval training. So when you're using SS-31, and you're looking at performance enhancement, you want to make sure that you're working with a doctor or a medical team who is very well knowledged in the mitochondrial pathways and the cell danger response. Make sure you're removing interferences before you introduce SS-31. Otherwise, you're not going to notice much from it. And these interferences could be the mycotoxin exposure, parasites in the gut, infections. It could be long COVID or other viral infections like Epstein-Barr. Make sure you remove those things so that now you can start rebuilding this ductwork. If you're using other mitochondrial peptides like MOD-SC, it's really nice to use this at the front so that you can actually turn on the engine. At least you get that furnace going, and then you bring in SS-31. And what you'll see is SS-31, it prevents excessive ROS accumulation, or the reactive oxygen species. And then that stabilizes the electron flow in that channel so that you get this beautiful expression of energy, which, if you think about, one of the things we all want is better energy. Specifically, it activates the complex 1 and complex 2 on these cytochromes in the electron transport chain. The other thing it does is it lowers these pathological levels of superoxide generation. So those are the things that are going to cause oxidative damage. So if you think of energy, the biology is so important. And to make energy, there's so many nuances that have to go along the way. And one thing SS-31 does is, as it starts repairing through that cardiolipin binding, you'll start to see that these membranes, now that were once unstable, now there's stability. And SS-31 can actually revitalize mitochondria that were old. It gives them new expression. It also can protect your brain because your brain has so many different levels of mitochondrial activity and oxidative burden. So if you can clean up the brain, it's amazing. And so one of the things they looked at in the original clinical trials, they still may be ongoing, I don't know, but they're looking at it for what's called type 3 diabetes or Alzheimer's. And they found that SS-31, based on the way that it can repair those mitochondrial membranes, can actually really improve people's cognitive performance. It helps with that energy transmission in the cells, specifically in the brain. The other thing they looked at it for was type 2 diabetes and kidney failure, which I'll have another video just on what they found as far as SS-31's activity with kidney failure and kidney damage. But it's one of these molecules. The good news is the studies have been done. There's still so much to do with healthy population. And I believe SS-31 can be one of these molecules, as of many that will be discovered in the future, that can change the energy expression so that you can start putting down the Red Bull, the Monsters, the coffee, and you can have good sustainable energy all throughout the day. When it's your time to go to sleep, your head hits the pillow, you sleep deep, you wake up feeling recharged, revitalized. You get out and do the activities that are most enjoyable for you, and those activities just become more and more renewing. And you can put that energy back into your relationships, back into your work. You can be the leader that you are, the husband, the wife, the mother, father, whatever roles you have, SS-31 may be able to help you gain that energy that you're looking for. So if you love this video, you want to go deeper, make sure you watch my video on SS-31 for kidneys. I'm Regan Archibald. I'll see you on the next video.